all right. In that case, I'll go to the bank tomorrow and deposit the money.
That's plenty. I've already collected the $450,000 from Hajjabinka.
Okay.
Yeah.
This? Yeah. Nice to hear.
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow morning I will go to the bank and deposit $550,000 to your account.
Oh, yes. That will be good.
So that we'll clear the shipment. May I use the toilet?
Sure.
Thank you.
Hey. Yeah, Bama, come here. Shit!
Where is the money?
Where is the money? There's no money here.
You think we're joking with you? Where's the $450,000?
There's no money here.
You think I'm joking with you? You think I'm joking with you? Where's the money?
Did you hear the...
What? Outside.
Holy heavens.
Sit down.
Oh heavens.
Sit down.
Please. Sit here.
Guys, wait for me in the car.
In the car?
You heard me.
While we wait in the car, make sure it's light. Let's come.
Bro, you sure you finish her?
Austin, please. I beg you. Spare my life. Please.
Give me one reason I should.
For the sake of my daughter, please. Spare my life.
For the sake of your daughter, I get hanged, I get nailed, get prosecuted. Because I know you talk.
I swear honorably, I will never talk. Please.
Undress.
What? Why?
You asking me a question? Are you asking me a question?
No.
You're asking a man with a gun a question?
No.
Hold it. Pull it up.
Eh?
Pull it. I'm going to make you a deal.
Please. I know how much my daughter loves you. I will not talk. I won't be the one to cut her joy short. If you want, I can give you money. I have check. I'll sign it here and now.
Or will you shut up? I'm a fisherman, I don't fish at home. Because of the love I have for your daughter, I'll make you a deal.
Oh, what is keeping Austin? I hope she has not overpowered him. No. Not the Austin I know. Oh, here he comes.
In quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you. Idunya mwagi na fufu, kedulu waga balogi. You detest the poor, not believing they can rise tomorrow. Chukune bulelu ifuli femelo mwagi fisia anyukwa jaka igafisia value everyone we see around you God of please igafisia greediness is bad igafisia it is deadly igafisia nekani igafisia
This is not happening.
Ifonya choko igafisia
I love this man. I love him. Why?
Sister, what is the problem? You've been like this since last night, since you came back yesterday. What could be the problem? Talk to me. My business partner was shot dead yesterday. And I've already paid a huge sum into his account. Is that not enough reason to set me thinking? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey! May his soul rest in peace, oh. Hey. Amen. But sister, do you know you can still retrieve that money? Yes. By writing his company or his people, stating how you paid money into his account and your goods are yet to be delivered before his death. Until then, sister is okay. Hi. Sister, please stop this. Sister is okay. You are hurting me. At least I want you to sit down. See, I can help you and draft the letter. Yes. It's a huge sum. A huge sum is money. At least someone died though, sister. You're talking about money, okay? I understand how you feel.
Walomu mama mo anya fulu kokilibe ebute gomike Austin wa mama ebute gomike ndobodo na nafu ebute gomike kimanka imankozo ifa n'olu ya bwego mbute ebute gomike I must make no be for mouth na action Austin de onyo na choose.
I really want us to talk about something very important.
All right, I'm listening.
I want to know the kind of business you do.
The kind of business I do?
Yes.
All right.
Because you go out at odd hours.
Yes.
And it's getting me really scared. I need to know.
Scared of what? Why are you scared?
Why wouldn't I be scared? Am I not your wife? Tell me, what kind of business do you do?
I've been waiting for this day to come. We swore an oath of secrecy.
An oath?
Yes.
What's the secret all about? What secret?
Well, it's no longer a secret. I can't keep hiding it from the only woman that matters to me. My wife.
Tell me.
I work with the SSS.
Oh, okay. That means you're a detective.
I'm an agent of the Nigerian Secret Service. And that's why you see me go out at odd hours.
Oh. You know, honey, I was thinking maybe it's...
It's what?
No, let's just let it slide since you've already told me what you do. I'm now relieved and okay.
Can you relax? It's not what you think.
I'm okay now.
Better?
Very.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You know what I do now? You're now relaxed.
Quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you.
Sister, what is it again? I've made up my mind. Jen is quitting that marriage. I didn't hear you well. Sister, what did you just say? She is leaving Austin. Hey, sister, how can you say a thing like that? I'm sure you're fine. Sister? Sister?
What is all this? This woman seems not to be happy always. Had it been I known, I wouldn't have left my house to come live here in sorrow. If I cannot discuss with someone I call my sister, what then is the essence of staying here with her?
Sister, can I make coffee for you? Grace, sit. I want Jen to divorce Austin as a matter of urgency. But you've not told me the reason why you want Jane to divorce her husband. Sister, I think you're keeping some secrets. I didn't tell you anything, did I? I'm just trying to make sure she has a life left for her to live.
Then why this? You've always wanted a wealthy man for your daughter. Here is befitting Austin.
I know.
Then why the sudden change of mind?
The Austin I knew before is not the Austin I know now.
Sister, you've refused to tell me what Austin has done. I can see you want to call off your daughter's marriage for no reason.
In fact, I'm off. Grace, sit. Can I trust you?
Yes.
The man I gave my daughter to is not exactly what he seems to be.
But you're not saying anything.
Chai. Austin is... Chai. Austin is... Austin is... Never mind. All I know is that Jen is quitting that marriage before it is too late, and that's final.
You think it's that easy?
Let's see how it goes.
Hi. Sister, you're sounding rather strange.
Maybe.
Welcome, ma'am.
What is going on? I'll be greeting everybody and nobody's answering me. Are you sure I'm still okay in this house? I need to ask her. I need to ask her.
I honestly do not understand what you're saying, Mother. Are you trying to tell me that I should pack up my marriage?
That is what it should be, my dear.
And why is that?
Some things are better left unsaid. Believe me, the same way I guided you to him is the same emotion I want to guide you out with.
Huh. Mommy, what exactly are you talking about?
Jane, things are never the way they seem to be. Sometimes madness masquerades as Rasta. Believe me, I have the strongest of reasons to understand that it was all a mistake guiding you to Austin. You have to leave him.
Austin?
Yes.
My marriage is a mistake?
Honestly.
Well, I'm sorry to tell you this, Mother. I am willing to live with that mistake for the rest of my life. I don't have a problem with that.
Jane, I believe your mom has her reasons.
What reasons does she have? Tell me. She said no to Nnamdi. Said no to Ken. and every other suitor that came for my hand in marriage. She blatantly refused every one of them. Later, Austin called along. I refused because I never wanted him. But she pressurized me every hour. What do I have to do? Eventually, I caved in because the Bible says, honor your parents. And now I have fallen deeply in love with my husband and she's saying I should quit my marriage? I mean, who does that? Is that ever possible? No, I'm asking, is it possible? Mom, I want to understand something from you. Do you now want to start performing my husbandly duties? Yes. I mean, do you now want to start making love to me? To be able to service my contours? Is that what you
Jane!
want? No! She should answer that question. Is that what you want, Mother?
Ebutego mike, unafugo. Ebutego mike, walomu mama mo. Ebutego mike, anyafulu.
You know, you are the only man after my heart.
Then allow me into your kingdom.
As always.
Right behind you. Right behind you.
You're my sister and my closest confidant. Yes. I have a bigger problem right now in my hands. Sister, more ears. My daughter. My only child has been misdirected by my quest for a rich husband. Now I know it is not right to dictate for someone's life partner. Sister, good that you know that. But you've not said anything. Sister, how did you mislead her? Or don't you want Austin again? That is what is in my mind now, and it is eating me up like a cankerworm. This is strange. Is it not better you open up to her? Yes, I have to. But you know that a palm wine topper does not reveal all that he sees while on top of a palm tree. You are sounding strange. You've not told me why you want to separate your daughter from her marriage. Just know that I have a genuine reason. Anyway, a toad does not run in the daylight for nothing.
Exactly.
Sister, I think you should invite her home for another serious talk.
I think we'd rather pay her a visit this time. What do you think?
That's nice. I don't want you to give yourself high blood pressure. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Try it.
Quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you. Idunya mwagi na fufu, kedulu waga balogi.
Ready? Another business dinner.
Business dinner again?
Yes. How do I look?
Baby, you look great. Again?
Ah, yes, again. I'll see you when I come back.
Please take good care of yourself. Okay?
I promise I will. I'll be back before you know it. I'll call you.
God. God, please guide and protect my husband. Bring him. Who is it? Oh my God. Oh my God, Manala. Oh my God. Mom. Jen. You're welcome. Yeah. What a pleasant surprise. I didn't know you people were coming. You didn't tell me.
We're here now, my dear.
Alright, Mommy, I'm coming. Just give me a minute. Let me get something.
Jen, please. Sit, we are not here for drinks.
Yes. Mommy, at least I should offer you something.
I am not a stranger in your house, am I?
No, you are not. If you insist, then it's fine. I hope there's no problem.
No, no. Grace and I came all the way to this place to pay you a visit for a very important thing.
Okay, very important thing.
Yes.
Okay, Mom, I'm listening.
Okay. Where is he?
You mean my husband?
Yes.
We went to work last night, but he hasn't returned. I mean, what is it? Is there an issue?
No. It's just that we came to persuade you to leave this marriage. Because...
What?
Yes.
Mommy, can you hear yourself speak? I mean, can you hear yourself at all? Okay, it's good a thing you're here, sis. Auntie Grace, please, I beg of you. Can you ask my mother why she wants me to leave my husband? The man that means the whole world to me. Leave him for what? What reason do you have?
Baby girl, I think you should listen to your mom.
You think I should do what? What are you people saying? Has she given you a reason why I should leave my husband? Has she? No, answer me. Has she? Why would I do anything like that? Why would I leave a man I love with everything in me? Why would I?
Jen, he's no good.
Who is better? I mean, who is perfect in this world? No, tell me, Mom. Are you trying to tell me right now that when Dad was alive, you never had 1 or 2 issues with him? It's not possible. Siblings quarrel, husband and wife, they have issues and they settle. You cannot tell me that I should leave my husband and he has done virtually nothing to me. So what is your reason?
Jen, honestly, you run a high risk of me disowning you if you don't. leave this marriage, if you continue to be deviant, I need you to pack this marriage up. Please, I am begging you.
Mommy, do I look like I care? I don't care. If you don't give me a concrete reason why I should leave my husband, Mom, never will I in this life.
It's all right. Sister, I think she deserves to know.
Deserves to know what? Deserves to know what?
Okay. The story is that we met at...
Excuse me, Mom. Hi, babe. Where are you? Okay. I love you too. I'll be expecting you. Yeah. That's my husband. He said he's very close to the house.
In that case, we need to reschedule this discussion.
You're leaving because my husband is coming back?
Don't worry. We'll talk about race.
Mom!
We'll be back.
Is that how much you detest me?
Don't worry, you won't understand. Don't worry.
I shouldn't worry, Mom?
So why do you choose to break my heart, my love? I gave you my love. I'm coming. Broke it. I gave you my heart. You smashed it. So why do you choose to let me down, my love?
How are you doing? Hey, Mommy.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. How have you been?
I'm good. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Right.
How is everything, man?
Fine.
I learned you came to my place the last time and just couldn't wait for me to return.
Yes. Jen told us you went to work.
Yes, I did. And since you guys couldn't wait to take anything, I decided to bring the drink over.
Thank you so much. May God continue to flourish your business.
Amen.
Sister, let me get some glasses.
Oh, no, not yet. I am not in the mood to drink now.
Okay.
But why, Mommy?
Maybe later. Yes.
It's okay.
How is John?
You know him?
No, of course not. It's just that my beautiful woman here won't stop talking about how glued you both are.
It's fine. We're good.
In-law, in as much as we would have loved to stay some more, but got business to attend to, so believe it.
It's alright. May I see you off?
Oh, of course.
Baby.
Jen.
Yeah.
Alright, Grace, take care of yourself.
I'll miss you.
Alright.
Nice meeting you.
I'll call you.
Okay, baby.
Mommy, let's go. You won't see us all.
Alright.
Alright, Mom. I'm gonna call you much later.
Jen.
Mom?
You must come back to your loving mother. Please.
Mommy, not again. Not again. What reason do you have?
I think we have a real fight in our hands. You can say that again. Jen. Jen.
Mommy!
How many times did I call you?
Twice.
You must come back to me, please.
Why must I? Mommy, give me one reason you want to destroy my happy home. Can you please tell me why?
You will soon understand. Very soon.
Mommy, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. And not even you, my mother. Do take care of yourself, Mommy. Love you.
Greedy woman. It quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you. Idunya mwagi na fufu, kedulu waga balogi. You detest the poor, not believing they can rise tomorrow. Oburo kwano onye dianata, gadigida nechi. Chukune bulelu, ifuli female mwagi. Anyukwa jaka. Value everyone you see around you.
Honey.
Yeah.
What is it that has gone wrong between you and my mom? I don't understand anymore. She has suddenly changed. She doesn't seem to like you anymore. She told me that she wants me to leave you and come back. I don't know why. Is there a problem?
She said that to you?
Exactly. That is why I'm confused. Tell me, is there anything that I should know?
What else did she tell you?
Nothing. Nothing at all. But you tell me, is there a problem, please?
She asked you to leave me.
Yeah.
Are you going to leave me?
Of course not. Baby, you know I love you. I love you so much. I can't leave you.
Promise.
Never. I'll always be with you. Hello, Austin?
You swore honorably with your nakedness. I kept my own side of the deal. But you are trying so hard to bite me more than you can chew. Can you just stop explaining? Because the more you explain, the nearer you are to your grave. You are going to be in that grave before the hangman gets anywhere close to me. Alright, let me shock you. You are driving along Uzodimma Mbadiwe Street. Lace material, no necklace. I'm sure you're still shocked. That is to let you know that you move, I move. You discuss. I listen. You stop talking. And I sleep. Be warned. Be warned.
Greedy woman.
I wanted a man I would build with, but you blatantly refused. Yet I brought another. You said over your dead body. You said that to me, mother. You have always wanted a rich man. Now you have it. So what exactly is the problem again? What is it?
Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I engineered this whole mess. But I don't have a choice, Jane. You are my child. I am your mother. I love you.
Mommy, I am lost. Okay, fine. Why do you want to ruin my happiness? Why do you want to destroy it?
I don't want to. Believe me, but...
But what?
I know I am going to die. I took an oath so that Austin will spare my life.
Mommy, what exactly are you talking about? What is it?
Jen. Austin, your husband is...
Is what?
Oh.
Oh, Mommy, please. Can you stop this already and talk to me?
Oh,
oh God.
Never mind. Please, just come back home.
Come back how? Why?
Come back to your mother.
Mommy, listen, I'm not finding this funny anymore. You're scaring me. Like you're scaring the living daylight out of me. If there's anything you want to say to me, you say it. Why don't you fancy my husband anymore?
Alright. All the money he shows on you, have you asked him how he makes it?
Of course. I've done that several times.
You did?
Yes. Mommy, if you must know, for you to be cleared, my husband works with SSS.
Smart guy. Is that what he told you?
He doesn't need to tell me. He need not to, mother. I found out myself.
Jane, believe that and you will believe anything.
Oh, Mommy, please stop it. I don't like this anymore. I don't like this. Stop this prank. If there is anything, Mommy, no, Mommy, please, let me just say this, please. If there is anything that you need to tell me concerning my husband, go ahead and say it. And stop telling me this, Mommy. I have grown to love this man. I love my husband. I can't leave him for anything. It is never in my agenda. Mommy, no, Mommy, stop. Stop this. Why are you doing this now? What is it? You have not even said anything to me.
I just need you.
Mommy, you cannot need me. I'm a married woman. Mommy, let go.
Sit. Sit. As I said! You see how unlucky you are. I wanted Grace to be here. Yeah. So that I can tell the story myself. Hell no. You already did that in fear.
I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
No. Far from it. I made the mistake by letting you go the last time. If I had blown your head in that room, we wouldn't be having this conversation today.
I'm so sorry. I know that my daughter loves you so much.
No, that's a lie. You don't. But who cares? Today, you will have a feel of what your daughter has been enjoying.
What?
What do you mean, what? What do you mean? What? Today, you are going to have a taste of what your daughter is about to lose.
Please, I swear. She will not lose
Oh, please! Enough of the swearing already. It's beginning to bite my ears. By letting me out to the police, I am certainly going to be hanged. And she will lose it. Simple arithmetic. Now, strip. For you are about to taste and have a feel of what your daughter has been enjoying. Please. Strip! Strip! Strip!
Austin, please. I beg you. Spare my life. Please.
Give me one reason I should.
For the sake of my daughter, please. Spare my life.
For the sake of your daughter, I get hanged, I get nailed, get prosecuted. Because I know you talk.
I swear honorably, I will never talk. Please.
Undress.
Why?
You asking me a question? Are you asking me a question?
No.
You're asking a man with a gun a question?
No.
Hold it. Pull it up.
Eh?
Pull it. I'm going to make you a deal.
Please. I know how much my daughter loves you. I swear I won't talk. I won't be the one to cut her joy short. If you want, I can give you money. I have check. I'll sign it here and now.
Or will you shut up? I'm a fisherman, I don't fish at home. Because of the love I have for your daughter, I'll make you a deal. You shut up. You live. You talk. You die.
I swear honorably, I will not talk. I'm a Christian. I belong to CWO in the church. I will not talk. Believe me.
So shut up. You never saw me.
I never saw you.
None of this ever happened.
No, none of this ever happened.
Deal.
Deal.
Signed.
Signed.
Greedy woman.
That is it, my daughter. I made a terrible mistake.
John, I suspected that. Overnight rage. Sister, I thought as much. Thank God for the wisdom he gave to me.
Now that I know, so you come back home. Come back and wait for the right man.
Exactly. There's no big deal. It's still very early.
Yes. There's no issue yet. You're not pregnant, right? Who told you? Who told you? Are you? Of course I am. I am pregnant. But let's keep that aside for now. You know, it has never been my wish to live a life like this. Never has it. A killer? As a husband? Incredible. Well, be that as it may, behind that monstrous facade lies a man I love so much with every iota of blood in me. What are you talking about? Yes, Mommy. You still love him? Yes, I do. No. I love him, Mommy. I can't help it. Love is a funny thing. I've seen able-bodied people love the disabled. I've seen sane people loving the mad. I am equally human, Mommy. Austin might be a gangster, but I love him so much. I love him. I can't even help it. Still love him. I do. You have to come back home. It's not good for Mommy, you. Don't say that to me. I can't come back. Besides, we are married. Marriage is for better, for worse. I'm in already. I can't come out. Please. Mommy, I don't care if you're disappointed, but you have found an able-bodied young man for me.
If they choose rightly, it's your pride. If they choose wrongly, none will blame you.
Auntie Grace has even left. She has left her.
Why?
Since she had that incident, she hasn't been herself. Doesn't like people around her. Probably that's why she left.
And up to now, your mother hasn't said a word about who shot her.
She said over her dead body. Emphatically.
I wish it was when I was called AA. It wouldn't take me 2 seconds to figure those bastards out.
No. I'm happy now that you've repented, please. I don't want that, honey. God will surely fish them out for us. Have you eaten?
Yes, but just breakfast.
Breakfast? That means my baby has been starving. I'll quickly go make something for you to eat.
Come on, baby. It's alright. I missed your face. Let me just keep looking at you for a bit.
Oh, please don't be like this always. You always flatter me.
Baby, I think we should leave this country for a while.
Leave the country? For what?
Nothing. For a change of weather. And then I think we should also leave with your mother. Those who did this